Rock and roll time in Long Beach, Mississippi. It's rattling the windows. My dogs are crying. It's about 10:09 p.m. It's been doing this since about noon today. We got major flooding going on. I've had several tornadoes touch down in the area. High winds. The only thing I haven't personally seen yet is the hail. But I would imagine that might be coming. Pretty frequent lightning. Cable's knocked out. I don't have any phone, internet, or TV, so I can't see what weather's coming, or if it's moving out. It'll probably be hours before the cable company gets out and fixes whatever happened. Never have been able to understand how the cable company here has things above the ground on telephone poles instead of burying the cables. Listen to it rattle the windows. It's rattling the whole house, actually. This is just a spring thunderstorm. You should be here during hurricane season. Quite a little light show.